Alright, so this is our PIMIC ENC demo that will be hosted online. So each user will have an ID to sign in with, so I'm going to enter mine. Alright, now that I'm logged in, we have the status ready to record. So I'm going to hit the record button. I'm going to play some noise. But first I'm going to explain this microphone we have. So the reason we're using an external microphone is to avoid accidentally using some noise suppression that might be built into one of the other mics in the PC. So I'm going to record, I'm going to play some noise on my phone here, and then I'm going to play back the original file with the noise included. After that, I will play the cleaned up version of the file, so you can hear the difference between the original and the noise suppressed. Alright, test 1, 2, 3 without noise. And then now this is a test 1, 2, 3 with noise. Alright, so I'm going to play back the original.
Alright, test 1, 2, 3 without noise. And then now this is a test 1, 2, 3 with noise.
Now I'll play back the noise suppressed version.
Alright, test 1, 2, 3 without noise. And then now this is a test 1, 2, 3 with noise.
Alright, good.